The latest development on the big story at this hour. For the first time, actor Salman Khan will record his statement in a Mumbai Sessions Court, and he has already left for the court this morning. This, remember, is in connection to the hit-and-run case, and it, of course, is a big day where the actor will get to present his side of the story. Kajal is tracking all the developments at the Mumbai Sessions Court for us, and let's go across live to her now. Kajal, big day, like we've been saying, for actor Salman Khan. What are we going to expect in the proceedings of the case today? And we also know perhaps that Salman Khan has already left for the court now.
Yes, Salman has already left for the court. The court proceedings are expected to start at around 11 o'clock, at which point he will be asked to take the witness box, wherein he will be narrating the incidents of that particular night when the hit and run took place to the court based on his perspective. Now remember, this is a statement under section 313 of the IPC, which means that this is a statement that the accused makes in front of the judge, and that there is no prosecution or defense cross-questioning in this particular case until and unless the accused himself wants to call some witnesses or wants to become a witness himself. So the main questioning, the primary questioning in this particular case will be done by the trial judge himself.
Okay, so Kajal, what are you learning from Salman's lawyer's side? Are they going to present some witnesses today? Is that going to be some sort of a development on that front?
Well, as of now, we are just hearing that the actor is expected to come at 11 and make a statement to the court. He will try and tell the court what happened that night according to him, and most likely the statement, he would have gone through the statement with his lawyer, and this statement will throw light on ways in which the actor can claim as to how he was not perhaps involved in the accident. Remember, the prosecution has already charged him with being drunk and also not having a valid license at that point of time. His statement is likely to throw some light from his perspective on these two counts, and also to try and throw a light on whether or not he should be charged with culpable homicide. Remember, all this will be his own personal statement.